Firstly, observe cutter wheel. Carefully check the blade to see if there are obvious gaps, rounded corner, or thinning, and whether there are scratches or peeling on the surface of the cutter. If so, it means that the cutter has been worn to a large extent. Secondly, evaluate shredding performance. Normally, the shredder should produce the evenly sized pieces. If the output size is obviously different, and there are many large pieces of the material that are not fully shredded, it may be that the cutters are worn and need to be replaced. Thirdly, listen for operation noise. During the operation of the shredder, if you hear abnormal noise, such as sharp friction, impact, or vibration, as well as the sound becomes abnormally heavy, it may be a problem with the cutter. Firstly, check equipment operating status. Observe the motor current, temperature, or other operating parameters. A significant increase in motor load may indicate the cutters are worn out, causing insufficient shredding force and require more power to process material. Replacing the cutters in time can reduce the burden on the motor.